Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gadget Gran. Today I'm going to review something different. Today I'm going to review the Homedics UV Clean Phone Sanitizer. So the UV Clean Phone Sanitizer, it uses ultraviolet UV light, which is a short wavelength, which is invisible to the human eye. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So I think during the COVID times that the world unfortunately has been plunged into, I just thought it was a nice timely reminder that we all use our phones a lot and we're constantly on them at the moment, and it probably wouldn't hurt to look at cleaning our phones under a UV light to be sure. So with this little unit, it's environmentally friendly. It is battery operated, so you do need to charge the battery first before you start sanitizing. It can run up to 70 sanitizing cycles per charge. So, and it's designed to fit most big phones, which I will show you in a minute. More so, your larger phones, you will place the phones in here to sanitize, and it cleans 30 seconds per side. So once we do it, and I'll show you that, you sanitize it, you open it, you flip your phone over, and you do it for another 30 seconds. So really, it's quick, it's easy, and then you know your phone's clean. Okay, so the unit itself, to charge it, there's a little flap here, and you put your USB in there and you charge. And as I said, there is a battery, and this is where you will place your phone. And basically, pretty much when you charge it, or clean it, sorry, you pop up this cover here. It's got to be upright, and then you will zip it closed, and that's your on button there. So let me show you how this works. Okay, here's my Pixel 4a running Android 12, which a video will be coming soon on that. I'm going to leave my phone on. I'm going to pop it in there. As you said, it's quite a big phone, so it will fit. Make sure the pop-up is up. I will zip it closed. Now on this side there is a magnetic thing at the end that you must clip that onto. It just automatically clips onto magnetic. So as you see, it's completely sealed and we're ready to go. Then I will push that button, and as you see, the blue light is flashing, and that means it's sanitizing. So I won't wait, I will just show you what I do next. Okay, as you see, it has stopped flashing, which means I can unzip the unit and turn my phone over like so and zip it back up like so. Make sure this is pulled out. Oh, magnetic. Oh, I haven't got that closed. Again, make sure that magnetically is closed there. Push that button and off we go again. Okay, and there you go, it's all done. I will just unzip it, pull out my phone. Phone works perfectly. There you go, no problems there. Phone works perfectly, doesn't seem to be affected whatsoever. So I think this is probably in COVID times, I think it's a pretty smart idea. Is it safe for your phone? Yes, because it uses UVC light. So it uses no water, no chemicals, and a UVC light kills germs, and it's completely safe for your phone. This little unit, it does say that it is primarily for phones, but you can use it to sanitize about anything. And I guess it is how much you can actually fit in here is what you could actually sanitize. I'm pretty sure you could do some remotes and smaller phones, just sort of those smaller items that can actually fit in here. So there you go. It's quick and easy. It's portable, compact. Didn't cost me a lot of money. Over here in Australia, I think this cost me about $80 Australian in JB Hi-Fi. I happened to just stumble across it. This is called, again, the UV Clean Sanitizer. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It is by Homedics, so you could possibly just pop on their website and have a look. But I think in today's world of COVID and sanitization and how much we're actually using our phones now, I think it's a great idea. It's not very expensive. There are obviously more expensive items out there, but for me, compact, easy, less than a minute, and you're done. So that's it for today, guys. It's short, sharp, and sweet today. Thank you again for joining Gadget Gren. I really appreciate it. If you could please hit that like button and that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, everybody, have a great day and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.